What's up, guys? Today we are gonna play Angry Birds on a kind of old phone. No, say you to just my mom got a new one and iPhone's the best iPhone you can get. So today we are gonna play Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Da-na-na-na-na. Everyone knows Angry Birds. Okay, ship going down. They crashed. You can kind of see the trick. Yeah, I know what this guy does. Okay, so I have to shoot this guy. I have to shoot that guy. So yeah, that works. Okay, I'm gonna do it with my other hand. Wait, does this look better if I do? Yeah, that would look way better. Yay! That's so easy. So, yeah. Zoom out. You have to zoom out on this game. You don't have to. So, okay, I get what I have to do. So I have to click. No. Well. Oopsie doopsie. Yep. Let's just say oopsie doopsie. How? Guys, if I don't make it this time, I'm gonna rage quit. Yes. Oh. I'm just disappointed how bad I am. Yeah. I think I'm gonna quit. I got a, what's the best to use? This guy, he has a gun. I can shoot them. Can't he? Yay! So lucky! All I need to do that the whole time. Wow. And by the way, Diamond Creeper is here. He's being pretty quiet, but yeah, he is here. Yeah. So let's go on to next level. Oh, this one seems a little harder. Got to zoom out. Dude! Can I, oh, wow, that worked. That was so wise. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can pull him. Nope. I have a better idea. What should I do? What? Trying that again. And this is kind of cheating, but I've owned so many. I haven't used this phone in years, and I own so many. I'm going to use it. So I guess I won I'm kind of cheating. I'm always using the thing. So, yeah, but who cares? Okay, man, this is kind of cool, but the Angry Birds Star Wars 3 is kind of old style.
And that phone is kind of old style.
Yeah. So, yeah. I have to be like that. No one come up here. I'm recording a video. So, yeah, because I thought I heard someone coming up here. And no one likes when intruders come. Ooh, TNT. Say NT. Kaya you do do. Can I just keep spinning? I'm just gonna let him keep spinning. Is he ever gonna stop? Wow. That was lucky. Okay. I thought he was just trying to do a joke and thought he never stopped, but that was just luck. Pure luck. Why you gotta be so... Oops. Can I do again? Nope. He landed right on the TNT! Guys, I think this is pure luck, so I had to hit the thing. That was just pure luck. I accidentally did something. This is luck. I'm the luckiest man alive. Wow. I'm just so lucky now. I think my rage has finally made me lucky. Guys, we've done, so far I've done, this is probably gonna be my last one. Maybe one more after this because, oh, what is the medals thing? Oh, present. I like presents. Presents make me happy. They make me happy. My skies are gray. You never know just how much I love you. Please don't take my present away.
That's weird.
You don't know what it's like to have presents. Oh
Probably
my.
more than you.
Okay. Yep. My luck isn't so lucky anymore.
How can luck not be lucky? That doesn't even make sense.
Hey, I'm trying.
And
Oh yeah, I'm
failing.
just trying. I'm trying so hard, you know. Well, that didn't do much. Yeah, I'm not lucky anymore. I don't care. I might have said I wasn't gonna do this, but I am.
What? Neither am I.
And can I shoot straight up? Yeah! Even cheating didn't work.
Cheating never succeeds. You know those things that always...
Actually, it succeeds a lot on this game. But can I do this? And now I'm gonna use one more Cheeto.
So you're gonna cheat more?
Who cares? Get wet. One. Maybe. Did I win? Wait, did I win? Oh yeah, I did win. Yep. So I've learned one valuable lesson today. Cheating on Angry Birds is always the answer.
That's not a very valuable lesson, but okay.
Yeah, it is. See you in the next vid. Subscribe. This is probably a second like gold diamond people. How many likes do you think we should set? 10?
I'd say that's a reasonable like goal.
10.
So let's go for 10 likes on this video.
No, it doesn't seem much compared to all the famous YouTubers. They like get
They
30,000.
they say like, oh, a like goal of 20 million. I'm just kidding. A like goal of 20,000 likes, and that's probably not gonna happen.
Yeah, well, let's just set one for 10. So.
Yeah, 10 likes.
Yeah, so now we have to watch this again. Okay.
Okay.
I do not know what that means. Oh, it's the pod racing, I think. So. Who cares? Let's just do one more. We want to cheat now. Let's cheat one more time. Can't hurt. Yes. Whip.
How did you cheat exactly? What did you do?
11 cheat. You can click this and you can all. It's not cheating because it's already in the game, but you can get these guys that after you run out of Angry Birds.
Yeah, I thought once you run out of Angry Birds, you lose.
Oh, whip. Not really. Dabby. Not well. If you cheat, you don't. What should I do? Do I have any of those guys with glass? How much coin? I don't have enough coins. Let's see. What should I pick? Yoda. I know this isn't gonna do anything really valuable. He's just gonna bounce.
Okay, what was the point of that?
To kill Yoda.
That's a little brutal, but okay.
Yeah, let's do... Can't pick. I don't care. This might be the last speedo guy, but... Yes! Coin, give me the coins. Yes, he got a coin. One coin isn't like that. Okay, guys, I guess this concludes the video. Subscribe, leave a like. We already set the like goals, so yeah.
For crazy robots, because the robot's crazy.
I only did 10! How's that crazy?
No, but you are crazy. Just
Okay, bye.
and just, yeah, you're crazy.
I'm not crazy. Bye, guys. Right now, I just have to argue with Diamond Creeper.